name is Keith Morrison. I'm a deputy chief with the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department. We'd like to give you some fireworks safety tips for this holiday week. It's important when you are using commercial fireworks, you follow the manufacturer's recommendations on the package. You also want to ensure that if you do have sparklers, that young children don't play with those sparklers, because those temperatures can get up to upwards of 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is one of the most common injuries that we have when we see people playing with sparklers for folks under 15 years of age. We also want to make sure when you're done playing with the sparklers and shooting the fireworks that you put them in a metal container and don't leave them laying around your deck or your shrubbery or anything around the house, because they could stay hot for several days and start a fire way after that you've already shot the fireworks and the evening is ended. We also want to make sure that that you keep a bucket of water along with that extinguisher, so if you have the ability to put them in that area, that you go ahead and do that. And it's also important when you have a malfunctioning firework that you don't try to relight it, even if it looks like you can still do that safely.